missing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day, but we are one step closer.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I have a little bit of laundry that I need to get done. Also, I need to clean my bedroom that Nyla and I are staying in, and you know, just some little tasks here and there around the house. So I am super excited about it. I would love for you guys to clean along with me. Let's get motivated together. Let's be inspired together to tackle some of these little things that we have on our list so that they don't turn into bigger things. So I thank you guys so much for watching and for coming along with me today. Let's go ahead and get cleaning.
Together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we.
So if it sounds echoey, I am in the bathroom doing my voiceover because I don't have a space yet where I can get my voiceovers done. And my kids, Nyla, they're all in the house. So if it sounds echoey, I'm in the bathroom. But I wanted to say that this new experience of having the laundry room on the same floor as the bedrooms, you guys, I am loving it. It is so much more convenient and just so much easier. Like I can just throw a load of laundry in the washer and just forget about it and, you know, come back and get it and get the clothes and fold and put it away. And I am doing so much better with laundry. They're not piling up. I am able to wash it. You know, everyone is able to put their clothes away. And it's a little bit difficult because we kind of are living out of suitcases and totes right now. So, you know, it makes it a little bit difficult, but we're working through it and we're getting through it. We're grateful. And so I am just so happy, you guys, about that. And I love that the homes in Georgia, that they do that. The laundry room is on the same floor or the first floor. And that's one of the things that I am definitely looking for moving ahead. You know, when it's time to get our new apartment or a new home, whatever the case may be, I am definitely looking forward to that. I must say that in this home, this is my brother's apartment. Obviously, we're moving to the home that he is renovating. We're going to be moving there in like a week and a half. The only thing with that is the basement apartment. And if you guys want to see that tour, you can go over on my main channel to see the tour of the new home. I'll actually link it down below. You can go ahead and go see that tour. But the laundry room is on the second floor, and we have the basement apartment, my kids and I. So that's going to be the only drawback, but it's okay because it's a beautiful home, and the basement apartment is just such a beautiful space. And I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to decorate and to take you guys along as we clean and do all the fun things. So that's what I wanted to say, that I am enjoying having second floor laundry room, because the convenience is incredible, and I'm just absolutely loving it. Let me know down in the comment section, do you guys have a laundry room on the floor with the bedrooms or on the first floor? And let me know what you guys think. Do you like that better, or it really doesn't matter for you? You're just happy to have a laundry room in the house. Okay guys, so I just wanted to let you know I'm in the bedroom now doing the voiceover. So I'm down in the kitchen, and that's my son. He's kind of just hanging out, and we have these little chats, my kids and I, and the kitchen is probably our favorite place to have those chats. Even in our previous home in New York, we had chats and discussions in the kitchen, and it just was so great. So, whew, sorry you guys, I just ran upstairs. So having these little chats, you know, about life and just everyday living and goals and dreams is probably one of my favorite things to do with my kids. And it makes me so happy to know that they trust me enough to be open enough with me to talk to me about, you know, what's affecting them, what's bothering them, what they're happy about, what their, you know, goals are. It just makes me so happy to have that kind of open relationship with my kids, and they know that they can come to me and talk to me about anything. I don't care what it is. So it's just such a great thing to have that bond with them. So here I am now. I'm just cleaning the refrigerator because, you know, those little fingerprints on stainless steel is just insane. And getting that done, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down and vacuum and do all those things. So I'm so excited, you guys. Every time I come into this kitchen, it just makes me so happy. Like, I just love cleaning this kitchen. I love cleaning this home, and I cannot wait to get to our new home. My brother, he purchased a new home, and he's renovating it. We're at the tail end of it now. We have about a week and a half left to move in before my daughter starts school. So that is just going to be so great to be able to just move in and get settled. And oh my goodness, I'm just so excited about it. So you're going to get a lot of cleaning videos from me in the new home, and it's just going to be such a great thing to just be able to clean those spaces. You know, there's a lot of rooms in that house to clean, so I am excited about it. But definitely stay tuned, because lots of changes are coming up, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice, and I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, Gotta stay here for some time.
So I love this steam mop. It's a Bissell steam mop, and I love it so much. Y'all, I mean, it has changed the game for me when it comes to mopping. I don't know if I'm ever going to go back to mopping. I think I'm going to get me a steam mop because I absolutely love it. I've heard of the Shark steam mop, and I wanted to try that one out and see, if it's as compatible or as good as the Bissell. But I love the Bissell so far, and I've always loved Bissell, vacuums and things like that. So I'm definitely going to get me one, whether it's a Shark or Bissell, but I am loving it because it is so much easier. Oh my goodness. You pour the water in and you plug it in the wall and you go to town. So I definitely think I'm going to grab me one because I love it. And I love the fact that it kills so many germs and, bacteria and everything on your floors. I mean, I love it. So I'm definitely going to grab me a steam mop.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through.
So here we are where we started from, and now I'm just switching over everything. And like I said, laundry is done. It's so much easier now because it's on the second floor. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me today. I hope that you were able to knock out some of those tasks on your to-do list and get some things done to reset your home. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
With us it's all or nothing.